Captain Prajwal Rai from Class 12 Humanities and Games Vice Captain Tenzin Tashi from Class 10. Marching forward, we have Yellow House Captain Rixima Lama from Class 12 Science and Vice Captain Deepna Chetri from Class 10. Representing Greenhouse, we have Greenhouse Captain Anvesha Rai from Class 12 Humanities and Vice Captain Ankit Rijal from Class 10. Representing Red House, we have Red House Captain Ashwin Rai from Class 12 Science and Norsan Tamang from Class 10. Representing Blue House, we have Blue House Captain Soitnam Tamang from Class 12 Humanities and Vice Captain Aryan Subba from Class 10. Marching forward, we have the prefects for the session 2025. Lavishka Thapa from Class 10 and Onasha Lapcha from Class 12 Humanities. Sinora Lepcha from Class 10 and Akanksha Lundu from Class 10. Pritika Pradhan from Class 12 Humanities and Aryan Rai from Class 12 Science. Prajwal Subba from Class 12 Humanities and Anmol Bujel from Class 10.